Here are two things to consider if your baby is early rising but falls back to sleep when they hop into bed with you. But firstly, can someone explain to me why we're 5 days out from Christmas and I am in a jumper in Melbourne in summer? But back to sleep. If your baby is waking, let's say somewhere between 4 and 5 a.m., maybe even 5:30, whatever you consider to be too early, but falls back to sleep in bed with you, it tells me that there is still sleep pressure there in the sense that your baby still has the capacity to go back to sleep. So it makes me wonder two things. Number one, is this purely habitual, that they know that in these fragile times of the morning, something fun happens and that it is worth waking up for, which is no problem unless you no longer want to have that habit of baby wakes at 5:30 and they come into bed with you. The other thing I want you to think about is your baby warm enough in their sleeping bag in their own room and cot? Because what I often see is that a baby wakes in those fragile hours of the morning and they're a little bit chilly, but then they get to hop into bed with you. They've got your body heat, maybe even the doona is pulled up, and that is what they're looking for to go back to sleep, to be that little bit warmer. Possibly it's even a combination of the two. But for me, it wouldn't necessarily be a timing issue if your baby then goes back to sleep because it tells me they've got the sleep pressure.